Hello and welcome back to our Health Focus channel. In today's video, we're exploring an important yet neglected topic: 10 foods that protect cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible yet tough type of connective tissue found in various parts of the body, such as joints, nose, ears, and between vertebrae. Our joints are essential for mobility, and cartilage plays a major role in keeping them healthy. Over time, wear and tear can lead to cartilage damage, causing pain, stiffness, and even arthritis. But did you know that certain foods can help protect and even rebuild cartilage naturally? Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 foods you should incorporate into your diet to maintain strong, healthy joints. Let's get started. Number 1, bone broth. Let's begin with bone broth. Bone broth is a powerful food for cartilage health, as well as for other numerous diseases. Rich in collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, bone broth will protect your cartilage by providing the essential nutrients it needs to regenerate and strengthen. These compounds help reduce joint pain and prevent cartilage wear and tear. Protecting your cartilage through bone broth consumption ensures improved mobility and reduced risk of arthritis. Add this to your diet to promote long-term joint health. Number 2, fatty fish. Next up on the list are fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are all packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients known for their incredible anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids, EPA and DHA, play a vital role in maintaining joint health and protecting cartilage from damage. Consuming fatty fish regularly can have a profound impact on your joint function and overall mobility, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to preserve cartilage. Omega-3 fatty acids help combat this by reducing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules such as cytokines and prostaglandins in the body. In essence, they act as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, calming inflammation in and around your joints, allowing cartilage to remain intact and functional. Number 3, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, which is vital for collagen production. This food will protect your cartilage by boosting collagen levels, helping to repair any damage and maintain the structure of your joints. Protecting your cartilage with these fruits also improves overall joint flexibility and strength, which can prevent joint stiffness as you age. Number 4, leafy greens. Leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are rich in vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in joint health. This food will protect your cartilage by promoting collagen synthesis and reducing inflammation. The calcium and vitamin K in leafy greens help keep your bones strong, which in turn supports healthy cartilage. Protecting your cartilage through these greens leads to stronger joints and reduced risk of conditions like osteoarthritis. These veggies are additionally abundant in vitamin C, an indispensable nutrient for producing collagen, a crucial protein responsible for developing and sustaining cartilage. You can consume the greens in the form of salads, smoothies, or any way you like. Number 5, garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to protecting cartilage. One of its key components, diallyl disulfide, helps inhibit the activity of enzymes that contribute to the breakdown of cartilage. This means that consuming garlic regularly can help slow the degeneration of cartilage, ensuring your joints stay in better shape for longer periods. In addition to shielding cartilage from breakdown, garlic also helps keep joints functioning smoothly by supporting the overall health of cartilage cells. By consuming garlic, you not only protect cartilage from damage, but you also enhance its ability to stay strong and resilient over time. Incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple yet effective way to ensure your cartilage remains protected, promoting long-term joint mobility and reducing discomfort associated with daily movement. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. This food will protect your cartilage by reducing inflammation and preventing cartilage damage from oxidative stress. By protecting your cartilage with these healthy fats, you promote better flexibility and reduce the risk of joint degeneration as you age. Number 7, berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are loaded with powerful compounds that help safeguard your cartilage. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful substances called free radicals that can damage your cartilage and joint tissues. By regularly consuming berries, you provide your body with the tools it needs to protect cartilage from oxidative damage, keeping your joints healthy and strong. In addition to protecting cartilage from harmful elements, berries also help to ease joint discomfort and improve overall flexibility. As oxidative stress decreases, your joints can move more smoothly, reducing the likelihood of stiffness and discomfort. Including berries in your diet will also support the overall health of your cartilage, reducing the chances of wear and tear over time and promoting long-term joint mobility. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its joint-supporting properties thanks to its active component, curcumin. This spice helps protect cartilage by interfering with certain pathways in the body that may otherwise lead to the breakdown of cartilage over time. Consuming turmeric regularly ensures that your cartilage stays strong and resilient, preventing joint tissues from deteriorating quickly. By protecting your cartilage with turmeric, you also help to preserve joint flexibility and reduce discomfort associated with everyday movement. Regular use of turmeric can slow down damage to cartilage, ensuring that your joints remain mobile and functional. Adding this spice to your diet is a simple and natural way to support the long-term health of your cartilage and promote pain-free joint movement. Number 9. Avocados. Avocados are a standout food when it comes to promoting joint and cartilage health. They are packed with monounsaturated fats, which play a key role in supporting joint function by helping to cushion and lubricate the joints. This ensures smoother movement and helps reduce the strain on cartilage. The healthy fats found in avocados provide structural support to the cartilage, helping it to maintain its flexibility and resilience during movement. Additionally, avocados are rich in vitamin E, a potent nutrient known for its ability to protect cartilage cells from oxidative damage. This vitamin helps keep the cartilage strong and stable by neutralizing harmful substances that can cause wear and tear over time. Moreover, avocados contribute to cartilage repair by promoting the production of essential compounds that keep cartilage robust and intact. Including avocados in your diet can play a vital role in preserving the strength and function of your joints, ensuring long-term joint health and flexibility. Green tea is more than just a soothing beverage. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for protecting your cartilage. One of the key compounds found in green tea is catechins, which are powerful antioxidants known for their ability to fight oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of cellular damage, including the breakdown of cartilage. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, catechins help shield cartilage from long-term damage, preserving its integrity and functionality. This food will protect your cartilage by reducing inflammation, a critical factor in cartilage degradation. Conclusion: incorporating these foods into your diet can help strengthen your joints and cartilage, while also reducing the risk of joint pain and arthritis. Remember, protecting your cartilage is crucial for maintaining mobility and preventing joint-related issues. Whether it's sipping bone broth, eating citrus fruits, or enjoying a cup of green tea, making these dietary changes will help keep your joints strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on how to live a healthier, more active life. See you next time.